When the retired General Henry Muchena led a delegation of respected retired generals to His Excellency President Emmerson Mnangagwa to warn him about the dangerous consequences of this Cap 3 project, what did we receive? Salabina mashuko blanyo kopangwa ine, elvo subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tibina mnamo blanyo kwa mchinzi. Mnangagwa was spat on them. He raised his middle finger and declared with arrogance, a winner, whoever wins. That single act showed total disrespect to the very men who sacrificed their youth for this country. It was not just an insult to those generals, it was an insult to the entire liberation struggle and to the people of Zimbabwe. My intelligence sources who have never failed me, have given me chilling information. Mnangagwa flew out in the dead of night with the trunks loaded with gold bars, destined for Belarus. When that same aircraft returned, prospect to the brim with ammunition, I have said this time and time again. Mnangagwa is deep headed for General Kostano Chwenga, is moving heaven and earth, risking everything just to block the general from taking what is rightfully his turn to lead. He would rather burn the country down than hand over power. This is not leadership. This is selfishness of the highest order. He wants to leave our beloved Zimbabwe in his hands of criminals, looters, and shady characters, while the real sons and daughters of the soil are pushed aside. Kumagumu kunenyaya. We are watching. The spirit of the liberation struggle is watching. We cannot spit the generals who brought this country to independence and think there will be no consequences. I remain retired Lieutenant Winston Skogema Branga, still loyal to Zimbabwe, not to individuals. Aluta continua. The struggle continues. Toma developments are kuda pangwaine. Pina comment section medos of good email relief from Sadc. So subscribe or like about your on the bell icon.